Supplementary list. Announcement of judgment. Item number 1.
From an examination above noted decisions, what emerges is that such deviations are permissible when exceptional circumstances are prevalent or the same resorted to meet an emergent situation. Further, it's also clear such appointments would be permissible for clear vacancies and anticipated vacancies, but not future vacancies. In the case at hand, by applying the above conditions and contingencies, it can safely be held that deviation from the advertisement was caused by the events as narrated earlier. On the aspect of vacancies which appointments were made from the waiting list, the same were against 2 existing vacancies, and one was against an anticipated vacancy, which is under the process of being sanctioned and was thereafter sanctioned by letter dated 19/8/2021, and as such, the appointments were not made against future vacancies. Apart from other discussions made and above, another factor deserves consideration is the fact that respondents 4, 5, and 6 are qualified candidates who have gone through a selection process and have been discharging their duties for over 2 years, and now unseating them at this stage will surely not be in public interest. Coupled with this, also the fact that petitioners, though not disclosing in writ petition, are unsuccessful candidates who did not even clear written examination. And by displacing respondents 4, 5, and 6 would mean that they will not be in contention or qualified to be appointed against a said post. It's also noted that there has been no allegation of any favoritism or nepotism, or that selection process was vitiated in any manner to render the selection invalid. But the only challenge is that there was deviation from the advertisement. As such, in considered view of this court, the appointed respondents 4, 5, and 6 in the circumstances aforestated, which was made due to compelling circumstances and on the basis of policy decision, and also in consideration of the fact that these officers are presently manning positions in outlying benches of district council courts, which are special in nature for the past 2 years, their appointments are upheld and reparations are dismissed.
Any mention?
Yes.
I seek my lord's indulgence, my lords, to mention an
Yes.
MC that was filed yesterday for listing. I seek my lord's indulgence to mention, my lords, 2
Yes.
MCs which we have filed in a matter that was listed yesterday, my lord.
Yes.
This is with respect to stay of encashment of bank guarantee. We filed pursuant to what my lords had felt from my lords. We filed the bank guarantee and has sought for a specific state. Those would kindly be listed at the end of the board today, my lords, because the encashment is imminent.
Have you served a copy to the
Yes,
other?
yes, my lord. We have served the copies.
You served
Yesterday
copies?
itself, my lord.
Yes, my lords. We have also
Okay, yes.
informed Cabinet about the
Right.
I have not received the copy, my lord. And it will be listed on Monday now.
Like on Monday. Yes.
Okay.
Nothing will happen over the weekend. Yes, on Monday, Mr. Day.
My lord, yesterday we have served them the copy and we have informed them.
Specifically say that
We have informed them, my lord, to the additional.
Mention's been made that 2 missing applications have been filed.
Yes, my lord.
So by so and so, as the matters are urgent, permissions allowed. List the matter on Monday. Yes. For consideration. Yes. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 26.
Number
26. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is still unwell.
26.
26, Your
Counsel
Lordship.
is in hospital.
No, Your Lordship, he's been discharged, but he has not made a full recovery yet.
Oh. Okay. 2 weeks then. As the county council for behalf of the petitioners indisposed.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is indisposed. He is in hospital, Your Lordship.
We have serious objection because there are series of adjournment. Series of
hospital.
adjournment taken by him.
In
Of
hospital.
course, today she is telling one thing, the other day she will tell
He's on
another
sanction
thing.
leave, Your Lordship.
No,
He's
that
not
is
well, Your Lordship.
all right, Mr. Jindal. On account of health, tomorrow you might be the one seeking adjournment. So 2 weeks, yes.
The series of adjournment, Lordship.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lord, item number 28 and 29, my lord, I pray for 2 weeks, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 28 and 29, my lord.
28,
My
the
lord, the
person died, you said last time.
first petitioner died, my lord.
Then, let it matter. Let what I can find. I can find 28. You have to strike him off.
My lord.
The other one survives, the other two petitioners.
My lord. Only the first petitioner expired.
You are aware of that?
On the last occasion in WPC, he did mention
I mentioned.
about the.
Yes, contempt matter 33, item 28. It is reported by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner number 1 herein is since deceased. So he prays that he be struck off from the list of parties. Submissions noted. Registry directed to strike off petitioner number 1 list of parties and make necessary correction in the course title. Yes.
Obliged.
This together with next item after
2 weeks.
after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
Yes, very nice.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31.
Number
31. 31. This.
why? Is the Karan Lang not ready?
Lordship, due to some difficulties, professional difficulties.
Your objection?
Lordship, if you can have it on Tuesday, Lordship, the learned advocate general will be.
We are at the mercy of the learned advocate general, it seems, under councils.
Lordship,
When?
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Take 3 weeks. Okay. So you all be ready adequately.
Yes.
Mr. Karan Lang recovers his full health also. Yes.
Similar prayer for item number 36 and 37.
30?
6 and 37.
Why?
We're not yet ready, my lord.
No objection.
36, 37, 2 weeks, 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 38. 38. So I'm supposed to file my rejoinder.
Rejoinder when hearing?
Lordship,
Mr. Dhruva, strong. You have objections.
just the last date, Lordship. After 2 weeks.
You pay cost to him.
Lordship, they just filed on the last date.
3
Affidavit.
weeks has already passed, my lord. 3 weeks already
They
passed.
took 3 months. They took 3 months to file counter affidavit, Lordship.
He has objection. You pay cost to him.
Lordship, they filed affidavit after 3 months. After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Will not see, you haven't filed a rejoinder.
They only filed on the last occasion. I'm be filing, Your Lordship.
Yes, this is the matter after 2 weeks. As prayed by the counsel for the petitioner. I will not see anything. You're free to file it.
Lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item 30.
What is this?
Mr. Shala is not...
Item number?
30, Lordship. For respondent 5.
Why? What's the reason?
Mr. Shala has personal difficulties, Lordship. For respondent 5.
What's the matter about?
That is socially boycott from the village. 3 houses.
Those one going to hide in the jungle?
No, some dream, Lordship.
What a
No.
dream is.
As at present, they were in village. But following that order, till we came before this court, they were in jungle. After interference by this court.
1 week, Lordship. Highly obliged.
So 23, 22, 25 also gone.
May I please,
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32, Your Lordship. I humbly pray that this matter will take after 3 weeks.
You're ready to argue today?
No, Your Lordship.
Why?
Due to some personal difficulties.
You're ready?
Your Lordship, conducting counsel is Miss NG Shillan. She's on sanctioned leave as well.
Oh. 2 weeks, yes.
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
Take 6 weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
6 weeks?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, 4 weeks, yes.
Much obliged,
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 31, Lord, this is for regular hearing and some difficulty.
It was already been mentioned for 3 weeks by your able juniors. Yes. Yes.
Your Lordship,
23, 24, 25.
I beg to mention item number 23, Lordship, 23 and 24 with Sir Archa.
Yes. I've informed DSGI is in hospital. Yes. 23, 24.
25 and 35.
23, 25.
25, Lordship, with Sir S. Pandey, and 35 with Ma'am P. Agarwal.
35 and for the state respondents.
Okay, yes. Yes.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Item 33, my lord. My lord, on joint request, my lord.
This won't do. 6 weeks.
6 weeks will be too long.
Then you're not ready to do it. Save you the bother of adjourning again after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Why should you trouble you to come make mentioning it for 2 weeks? Take 6 weeks.
My lord,
on the next day we will do it, Lordship.
My lord,
Because interim in his favor, no problem. But 6 weeks will be too long. 6 weeks, Lordship.
My lord, 3 weeks, my lord.
It'll take 8 weeks. They build a little bit longer.
3 weeks.
Okay, 3 weeks. Yes. Otherwise.
Obliged.
Well, highly obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item 27. Lordship, the arguing counsel, Mr. P.R. Paske, has some difficulty.
Mr.
P.R. Paske.
Who's the petitioner?
I'm the petitioner.
You have objection?
No.
Yes.
No.
No. Becoming a big joke now. After how long? 1 week.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes. Got passing away.
Sure.
Huh? 35?
35 is mentioned.
Huh?
35 Dr. Musika.
No.
35 Dr. Musika.
Yes.
Daily list. Item number 1.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of J. Shila, Lordship. He is not available today. There is some sort of settlement process is going on, Lordship, in this matter, Lordship.
Private respondent.
With the private respondent, 6, Lordship.
You're appealing for whom?
District Council. District Council.
You mentioned it's on behalf of Jishla, correct?
That is a different matter. This is District Council matter.
2 weeks.
Yes. This after 3 weeks as the talks settlement going on. This would be as the party submitted, there are some talks of settlement.
Item number 2.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, the affidavit is ready. We've sent it to the department for verification, Lordship. This requires some more time.
1 week's time allowed.
Much obliged.
Yes.
3.
Lordship, in this matter, I had just received the instructions on the 19th, Lordship, last Friday.
Lordship, we see the last order, my lord. The last chance given.
Yes, what instructions you see? Let's see.
Lordship.
What's the matter about Mr. Sen?
Lordship.
My lord, it's regarding, my lord, the seniority. Now, what happened, my lord, the petitioner and the respondent, they belong to a common cadre. Now, what happened, the private respondents, my lord, by way of redesignation, my lord, they were promoted well before me as. Though our promotion was due, my promotion was affected late. Now, resulted in what, my lord, in service we are senior, resulted in what, my lord, because of the late promotion, now we are being superseded by these private respondents. So they have created this anomalous situation. They need to correct it, my lord.
Lordship, the instructions about that, due to the judgments of this honorable court, Lordship, in 477 and also in 3.
With the instructions came which department? Which the officer signed it? Let's see.
Lordship, get some time to advise them and make proper affidavit, Lordship.
No, if you didn't pass the order, the instructions wouldn't have come. Yes, Mr. A. Karanlang has apprised the court that submits that instructions have been received and the
I'll be most obliged.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondents 6 to 10 and 13 to 15.
Yes, you.
Item number 4.
Similar prayer. Is also allowed. Yes. And number 2. Yes.
Pending University rate appeal is pending. Some interim order has been passed on the 12th of July. In this matter.
What interim order?
Well, the order we are yet to get, Millard, because non-availability of bench.
Unfortunately, the order hasn't been uploaded because of physical non-availability of Honorable Chief Justice. We have inquired. However, the connected matter order has been passed in which it says the matter will be coming up on 25th July.
No, what orders? Any stay of interim of the order of this court?
No stay of the order of this court.
What the order was indicated in the court, order was that the exclusion will be subject to outcome of the writ appeal. That was the oral order passed in the court, but it has not come transcribed, because of the non-availability of, and the writ appeal is also pending.
Well, in that,
it was like that, let the successful bidder continue the work.
Well, we can't do anything now.
after let it come after 4 weeks, Millard. In between, Millard.
Yes, whatever happens. Yes, it's submitted by the Advocate General that certain interim orders have been passed in the preferred.
Appeal number is 36 of 2024, madam.
Appeal number so and so, but however, the same not available as it has not been uploaded. Stop, Mr. Datta. Yes, that is in council so submits that the matter will be listed after 4 weeks to await any outcome. Yes.
On 26th, Millard.
Yes, after 4 weeks.
On 26th,
maybe after 4 weeks it becomes redundant. You don't know.
Millard, if a date is fixed now, that.
No, you take the court master.
Okay.
Yes.
Item number 5.
Your Honor, Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 4. I'm praying for another 2 weeks' time for filing the affidavit because
on the last occasion, my Lord, I had submitted that we have no objections if the matter is referred back to the tribunal. So because the proper forum would be
like Hiram Simship?
No, Sora.
Was that is that
dispute between those
yes.
4 villages? It was the executive
Maupu
committee.
And what?
Yes, Maupu, Laido, and. So because this order was passed by the executive member, Ilaka.
Yes.
So
but the respondent force not here supporting that's the thing. She's on sanction leave. Why you won't file affidavit?
because the counsel for the US on sanction leave.
That's why I couldn't file affidavit.
Yes.
Oh. Yes. Yes, this is the matter of, what's your name?
Beating dog. Beating dog.
Beating dog. I was beating dog number 4. Please without further 1 week's time to file affidavit. 1 week or 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to affidavit. Is that after stop? It is noted that Mr. T.T. Dingdo, learned senior counsel appearing for the counsel respondents.
Yes.
Has submitted that the matter would better be served if the same is remanded back to the competent authority for adjudication. Stop. This point is noted. This after 2 weeks for further orders. Whether you file affidavit or not, we'll pass orders next.
Item number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship? I am prepared 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file the affidavit.
Where's the petitioner? Respondent number 4 is whom?
Azizur Rahman, Your Lordship. Azizur Rahman.
Azizur Rahman. No appearance on behalf today also. Stop. None appears with petitioner. Stop. Next line. MS Raji for 1, 2, 3 praise for further
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
file affidavit. Stop. There's no appearance on behalf of number 4 also. As such matter, anyway, since the petitioner not here, No, for number 4 today also. Though in the order dated 10/7/2024, it was recorded that if no appearance is made on behalf of the said respondent, number 4, the matter proceed ex parte. As there is no representation from the petitioner, list the matter for 2 weeks for further orders. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 7.
Affidavit file.
Lordship, in this matter, we are yet to receive our instructions.
What's the matter about?
No, this is a pension matter. My friend has made a
pension matter.
Yes,
he has made a contradictory statement. Otherwise, earlier my friend has already received the parawise comment. I don't know for what reason.
We have not received.
Issue to delay.
Lordship, there was a report.
My lord,
Lordship, on the last date.
order dated 10/6.
We have not received the para, Lordship.
10/6.
10/6.
Very serious matter, Mr. Thaba. You can't make incorrect statements with the court. 10/6 order. How do you resolve to correct it?
Lordship, we are yet awaiting instructions.
No, how you resolve to correct it? You made a submission at the bar and the order is recorded.
Yes,
Mr. Thaba
yes.
submits that the judgment is
Yes,
received.
Lordship, that was for Watkletson. The parawise comment was for Watkletson, Lordship.
Who's what?
I
How
apologize,
will the
Lordship.
court know? What WPC number?
Lordship, that was that parawise comment was.
So which case was that?
For Watkletson.
What case was that? What case number is it?
Lordship, I'll inform during the course of the day, Lordship.
Inform who?
Lordship, the benches.
It's not done. You're all junior counsels and then should pay attention to what you're submitting and who you're representing. You have to be disciplined, you know, if you want to progress in your career. Mr. Thaba today submits that inadvertently submission had been made on 10/6/2024 that instructions had been received, whereas instructions yet to be received for the instant matter. Stop. According 2 weeks further time is granted for affidavits expected next date. It should be on board. Well, we'll have to pass very negative orders. We don't have to do that.
Item number 8.
Before you make a submission, you should be clear, and before the matter is taken up, you all should be aware what the last order was passed by the court also. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we file the affidavit in position, Your Lordship. We file the affidavit, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm filing my rejoinder in 1 week's time.
Who's number 1?
Point number 1.
You file.
It's just a formal party, Your Lordship.
Okay. MS Jarwa also submits the affidavit since been filed. Mr. M. pays for the law. How much time?
A week's time.
A week's time to file rejoinder. This is thereafter.
Interim order. Interim order.
It's an interim order. Interim order. That's regarding that. Yes. Shall continue until further orders. Yes.
Much obliged,
Item number 9.
In this case, I'm appearing for litigant college respondents. No, my lord, basically the grievance is against the college. No, my lord, I have filed an affidavit. There are 3 grievances, my lord. Number 1, eviction, your lordships. We have issued a formal letter requesting him to vacate because he is under suspension, my lord. Now, my lord, we have made a categorical statement, my lord. So far, my lord, this is only a request. He can always come to us for extension of time. We are not going to take any, my lord, coercive action to evict. Number 2, your lordships, another grievance is that a departmental proceeding was initiated against him. He was placed under suspension in 2006 because there was a criminal case also, which is now, my lord, he is facing trial before the CGM. Now, so far, my lord, disciplinary proceeding is concerned, my lord. In fact, the inquiry has been completed. But at one point of time, the governing body took a decision, my lord. Since the criminal proceeding is pending, the college will not proceed further. But now we have taken a decision, my lord. If your lordship give us some time, since the inquiry report has been submitted, we will take a final call in the matter within 3 months. And regarding salary, my lord, the salary, it comes from the government. So whenever government release the salary, my lord, you immediately disburse them. They do not disburse, my lord.
Receive the affidavit.
Yes, my lord. I have
You filed
received.
a joinder?
My lord, I need to file a short rejoinder. My lord, we'll fix it next week. And
We'll fix it next week. We'll finish it out.
my lord, our
Yes,
main prayer is for quashing and setting aside of the disciplinary proceedings, which is pending for last 18 years, my lord.
That is a serious
There is no bar for taking them any decision.
No, that's what your lordship, we are asking. Give us some time, my lord. We'll take a final call in the
We'll hear it next. MS Adata submits that appraiser should be allowed 1 week's time to file a short rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondents 3, 4, and 5. 1 and 2, no need.
We have filed affidavit bringing in record that we have made the payments regarding the
3, 4, and
salary.
5. You don't want to file the joinder to the common affidavit?
Not necessary, madam.
Yes, sir. She further submits that the joinder to the affidavit filed state respondents 1 and 2 will not be required. So, okay, this is matter after 1 week for admission hearing. Yes.
Right. I don't know, the interim order will be extended.
Interim order is there?
Ma'am.
Okay, interim order shall continue until the next date.
Item number 10.
Lordship, we are praying for 3 weeks' time, Lordship, to file the affidavit in this matter. We have received the instructions, Lordship.
You sure?
Yes, we have received.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for this respondent form.
Objection.
Any interim order? No.
No interim order.
Yes, sir. As prayed for the 2 weeks time, God responded to file affidavit. This is thereafter.
I'll be obliged.
11.
Connected matters.
Abdu?
19.
19. May it please your lordship, my lord, going through the petition, my lord, there are some defects, my lord, regarding the cause title, because my lord may come to page number 10, my lord, of the petition.
Yes.
This is respond number 1, my lord. It should be the secretary or the commissioner secretary.
They have given chief secretaries, AR personal and AR department.
And number 2 is not no designation?
No designation.
The secretary or commissioner? Anyway, that number 1 only.
Lordship, because they have challenged the...
They challenged the
official memorandum of the personal department, Lordship.
Yes.
I'll seek instructions, Your Lordship,
Don't
from my
need to seek
senior.
instructions. Why? If that's it even can be corrected. Yes, Mr. Rinja, the jury has pointed out that there is a slight defect in the cause title of the petition, inasmuch as the respondent number 1 is shown as represented by State of Meghalaya, represented by Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya Personnel ARB Department. He submits that the correct designation should be the Commissioner Secretary, Personnel and AR Department should staff.
Similarly, number 2 also.
Yes, number 2, nothing wrong. His secretary is fine. Accordingly, petitioner is directed to correct the cause title. In
We will file an affidavit. It's ready.
In the course of the day, yes. Respondents are allowed 2 weeks, further 1 week's time to file affidavit. You corrected this.
Yes, Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item 20.
But I filed the affidavit of service, my lord, upon respondent number 4 to 6.
Does the service matter?
No, my lord, this is a election petition before the district council, my lord, before the tribunal, which has been dismissed in default, my lord.
Okay, 4 to 6 is whom? 4 to 6, Stephenson Lalu.
Yes, my lord.
But it's not a case where he's a petitioner, if I remember correctly.
That is regarding condonation of delay, my lord. That has been
Who was
disposed of.
representing him?
Mr. Sinkan, my lord.
Why didn't you serve on him?
My lord, he won't accept it that way, my lord. We have taken steps, my lord.
He's aware.
Then
They
we
are
have to
aware.
wait. Then yes, An affidavit indicating service upon respondents 4, 5, and 6 has since been filed. As such, service is considered complete on the said respondents. Yes, Mr. Kinta?
No, they are aware about this matter.
We listed after next date then, let them appear. Accordingly, it's a matter after 2 weeks to an appearance of the said respondents.
Much. Thank you.
21.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Chanda, Lordship.
Mr.
Chanda. Lordship, there's another matter which is pending before this court. It's listed on 14.8. Similar issue, Lordship. If this matter can be tackled on.
Mr. Emelupur submits that similar being WPC number
252.
252 of 24. Yes,
of
2024.
24 is scheduled to be listed on
14.8.
14.8.
Please have this matter be together, Stumble. Pray aloud, this is a matter on 14.8.
Highly your pleasure.
Along with WPC number. Just now we said number
252 of
252.
Item 22.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, affidavit is ready, Lordship. I just have to file it, Lordship. My apologies, I just received it this morning and...
Very good.
Lordship, the whole process is completed, Lordship. Door-to-door verification is done and all the...
file, Mr. H. Collins submits that after we find the course of the day.
Lordship.
This is matter next week, yes. Yes.
Lordship, Lodge.
So give me early weekend.
Ketemu.